For the best price, click the link in the description. But have you ever considered buying a 98-inch TV? I know what you're thinking, it's just a big screen with some fancy features, right? However, think again, because Samsung has taken their 98-inch behemoth to a whole new level. But here's what surprised me when I started researching this massive display. With the ability to display 8K resolution at 120 Hz refresh rate, this TV can handle even the most demanding games and movies without breaking a sweat. However, with great power comes great responsibility, or in this case, a humongous price tag. Are you tired of cramped viewing experiences on your smaller TVs? Do you want to be able to immerse yourself fully in the cinematic experience? Because I did some digging and discovered that this TV's panel is capable of delivering an unparalleled level of color accuracy. But what really caught my attention was its impressive brightness levels, which can reach up to 1000 nits. But what about the sound system, you ask? Well, let me tell you, it's not just a fancy name for a built-in speaker, because this TV comes equipped with Samsung's proprietary object tracking sound (OTS) technology. Therefore, get ready to experience audio that tracks movements on screen in real time, making you feel like you're right in the action. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, I don't need all these fancy features. Just give me a good picture. But let me put it this way, with its 98-inch display and impressive color gamut, you'll be able to see even the smallest details on screen. However, what's truly remarkable is how seamless the viewing experience is. You might be wondering about the power consumption of such a massive device. Well, Samsung has thought of that too. It comes equipped with an energy-efficient LED panel that can reduce power consumption by up to 50% when displaying static images. Therefore, you won't have to worry about breaking your bank on electricity bills. But what about HDR support? Don't worry, this TV is capable of delivering not one but 3 different types of HDR content: HLG, Hybrid Log Gamma, HDR10+, and Dolby Vision. But here's the catch, it only supports Dolby Vision up to 60 Hz, which means if you're planning on watching 120 Hz content in HDR, you might be out of luck. However, Samsung has included an impressive set of features that make this TV worth considering. For instance, its quantum dot technology provides a wider color gamut than traditional LED displays, making it perfect for gamers and movie enthusiasts alike. But what really sets it apart is its compatibility with popular smart home devices such as Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. But have you considered the setup process? With Samsung's SmartThings app, setting up this massive display is easier than ever. Just follow the prompts on your smartphone or tablet, and voila, you're ready to watch your favorite shows in style. However, be warned. The sheer size of the TV may require some adjustments to your room's layout. So what's my verdict? Is it worth shelling out thousands of dollars for this behemoth of a display? Well, that depends on your viewing habits and budget. But if you're looking for an immersive cinematic experience like no other, then the Samsung 98-inch TV might just be worth considering. Therefore, I highly recommend checking it out for yourself. Just click the link in the description to get the best price. However, don't say I didn't warn you. This TV is a significant investment that requires careful consideration before making a purchase decision. But with great power comes great reward, and I truly believe that this massive display has the potential to revolutionize your viewing experience forever.